Welcome to the AllRide cab booking form plugin. It is an alternative way of booking a trip from your existing website. The booking form plugin is designed to collect all the necessary details for arranging your trip. Here's how it works. First, you will have to determine the type of the trip. There are two choices, one-time and hourly. Next, you will have to fill up, pick up from. This is the address from where you will be picked up. Travel to. This is your destination address. Provide the date and time on which you want to be picked up. Passengers is the field which indicates how many people will be traveling. And from the luggage, you can specify how many pieces of luggage you will be bringing. Upon hitting the search trip, you will be taken to the vehicle type selection page. You will be able to see essential information about the trip such as the distance that will be covered, duration of the trip, boarding date and time, number of passengers, and luggage. Then below, there is a list of vehicle types from which you can choose based on your availability. Vehicle types can be created, and then vehicles can be added under that particular vehicle type from the dispatch panel. The vehicle as well as vehicle type details can be customized, and each vehicle has its registration number which identifies that particular vehicle. You can also check out the seating capacity, luggage capacity, and other features that come with a particular vehicle. Upon hitting select, you will be redirected to another form. There you will be required to enter your personal details including email. On the right-hand side, the booking information and the fare details will be displayed. Upon hitting complete reservation, you will be taken to the review reservation details page. After checking your details carefully, proceed to payment by clicking the Pay Online button. Upon clicking Pay Online, you will be required to use a payment gateway in order to pay. After successful payment, you will be taken to the ticket details page, where a message will be displayed confirming successful booking. You will receive an email confirming your booking. At the right, the ticket details will be displayed providing you with the booking ID and a QR code, which you can scan to download the ticket and booking information.